An angel hair goulash is a meaty and oniony dish that is rich in the flavors of tomato. It also has a unique mix of herbs and spices to make a delicious and hearty meal. In a pan, add the ground beef and cook over medium-high heat. Add in the yellow onion, celery, and carrots, then sauté briefly. Pour in the red wine and deglaze, then add in the tomatoes and corn kernels. Cook until the sauce is reduced to half. Then, add in the tomato paste and season with salt and ground black pepper to taste. Adjust accordingly, then set aside. In the same skillet, add the unsalted butter and melt, then add the angel hair pasta. Toss the evenly coat with the butter. Add in the parsley and salt, then adjust accordingly. Serve hot with the prepared beef on top and sprinkle with parmesan cheese and parsley before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.